Okay, so I'm at BJ's and I'm looking at the curved UHD ultra high definition 4K Samsung television. I'm shooting video at 1080p 60 frames per second. And the thing about it is, as I get closer to the screen, 4K and no 4K, basically the real problem is that it's not broadcasting its image in absolute 4K. So let's look right here. It says that it supports 120 hertz, and this one doesn't actually. Okay, right here it does say it has full HD UHD 340 by 2160, right? So that's their 4K. But the problem is, nobody is buying image sources that are 4K. If you've got Fios from Verizon, which is the best service that you can get for television delivery, then what you're using is 720p, which is upscaled to 1080i. Unless you are buying 4K sources, what are you getting to actually broadcast in 4K? Now, this picture quality is actually pretty high. As you get a little bit closer, which is, the sitting distance nobody would be, you can see, artifacts and pixelation. This one is 2980, and this is 3840 by 2160 res, and basically, it's very similar to that one over there, except this one is slightly more expensive. And notice this one's flat. One of the problems with the curved televisions, and it's a good thing that I'm standing right here, is that when you look at it from a viewing angle that you're normally not going to be watching television, it becomes harder to see because it's curved in the middle. Now, when you have a viewing angle like that, basically both of these TVs are on the exact same viewing angle. You can see more of that television regardless the distance, simply because that television is curved inwards. What that means is that if you have like a big living room like I do, if you have people sitting at the extents of the living room, it's very difficult for them to see the curved television, wherein it's easier for them to see the flat television. Personally, at this price right here, I would I'd much rather have the flat television because it's easier to see. And basically that's just that.